Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. We're out here in the wind. It hasn't been this way all day, but I've been working on the tractor, trying to level this out for the goat pen. Had quite a bit moved. Auto right now is going to cut some boards down for the bottom of the chicken coop. The old chicken coop we're going to use for right now, only because I don't have the time to put the other one up. So we're going to use that old chicken coop as a temporary house for the chickens. So we're going to try to get it usable where they can't get out or nothing can get in by this evening, and then move the chickens on over here out of our house. Of course, it's just temporary. I'll put some of the sod up against it. We're running our Predator generator today, so we're cutting the wood. Haven't had it running for a while, so let the battery charge up. So that's that.
Well, chickens will stand.
Chickens stay in and the predators stay out.